Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Thank you for tuning in, and I guess you're here because you either like juggling, balloon modelling or magic, and today I've got a fantastic design for you. So what I'm going to look at making today is a crown, and this is a super easy design to make. You need to be able to do the helmet hat design, which is sort of the basis of a lot of hat designs when it comes to balloon modelling. And if you look above my head anytime now, you'll see a link that will take you to a video that tells you everything that you need to know to make a helmet hat design, and one or two others as well. So let's get started. So for this design you will need 2 gold or yellow 260s. You will need a red 260 and a white 260. I'm going to start with the white 260 to make the helmet, the red 260 to make the trim, and then at the top of the crown we're going to use the 2 yellow 260s. So I'm going to start with my white 260 and I'm going to make the helmet design. And I'm going to inflate all my balloons almost to the max. You might leave half a centimetre to a centimetre at the end uninflated. So I start at the knotted end and I make a 1 finger bubble. I pinch twist that. Make sure your balloon's nice and soft, so just give it a squeeze and a bit of a stretch. And then you're going to wrap it round your head and make sure that it's a snug fit but not too tight. So I'm going to make my twist here. I'm going to take my 1 finger bubble and twist it into the twist that I've just made. So you should have something that looks like this. And now I'm going to go to the end of the balloon, make another 1 finger bubble. And I'm literally just going to take the halfway point of my helmet design and just twist the 1 finger bubble into the centre point. And there we have our basic helmet hat design. Now I'm going to use my red balloon to do the trim around the top of this part of the hat. So I've got my red balloon almost fully inflated. I'm going to take my helmet and I'm just literally going to do a 1 finger bubble here. So just pop the helmet there, and take my helmet. I'm going to twist this 1 finger bubble into one of the ends. Make sure that you get this part, not this part and this part, because this is slightly bigger than these two parts. Just twist it in, and then just a little bit more. So as you can see, it's slightly bigger because you're going to make a twist there. So don't make it too tight. Then you're going to make another 1 finger bubble. I'm going to pinch twist this. And you're just going to twist this into the other end. Just try your helmet on to make sure that you're putting the trim around the right part of the hat. And again, you're just going to go back in, and again, a little bit bigger. So you're going to twist this into the white part of the helmet. So make a twist. And you can just literally just twist this in to the pinch twist and the 1 finger bubble balloons there. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take about the halfway point, just do a twist, like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. I don't need this, so I'm going to be very careful because I haven't put a pinch twist in here. So just pop it off, let the air out nice and slowly, and put a knot in. And so there you've got the first part of your crown design. Looks pretty cool, huh? Now you're going to take your two gold or yellow 260s. They should be inflated pretty much to the same length. You're going to take the ends and you're just going to twist the knots. Well, what we'll do is just do a couple of one finger bubbles, twist them together like that. And you're going to find the halfway point, roughly, which is about there. Just twist them. Take these ends, just do another one finger bubble. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this and twist it into the middle section here. Again, roughly, it doesn't have to be absolutely spot on. Just a couple of times. And then you're going to take this end and twist it into here, to this end. And you're going to do the same with this end. And there you have your fantastic balloon crown. So it's pretty easy to make. I'm just going to finish it off by doing some decoration of the bottom part of the crown. You'll need a black marker for this. I'm just going to do it on one side just to give you an idea of what it should look like. So it should kind of look like that, and you're just going to do that on the other side. So I hope you've really enjoyed this balloon modelling tutorial on how to make a balloon crown. Check out my other designs. I've got lots of other balloon designs on my channel, so take a look. And until next time, thanks for watching, and this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.